Hey and welcome to Alpha One. So Friday I had a live session trading here at YouTube Binary Option. I will get to how we did and all this good stuff as always. But before I get to that, make sure you subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so you never lose a live stream from me again, okay? Also, make sure you sign up with this broker you see up there right now. You find the link below the video. Also, make sure you use the promo code so you get 200% on your first deposit. So make your first deposit count. But you can also start with a demo account if you want to follow my trades, okay? Now, let's get to the trading we have done. So, let's go here to my trades. As you can see, we did just this Friday, we just did the 4 trades. 3 was winners, 1 was loser. We made a profit of $169. But that's not all. Every time we do a trade, we get some cash back, as you see up here. Now I can push this button and this will be added to our balance here. So we push here now. And there you see, we got some extra money. So let's take this $16. Our profit is then $185. It's not so much, but it's still profit, okay? So make sure you subscribe, make sure you sign up with the broker, and I will trade live again in Monday, okay? Also, I do trade live at Discord every single Saturday. There I trade on another broker. You find the link below the video for that broker also, that is Pocket Option. If you have an account from before, make sure you open with a new one under, okay? Give you 60% and all this good stuff about my own affiliate income. So make sure you do that, okay? And make sure you join my Discord. We are going to move every live stream over to Discord in time. For now, we're going to have live in YouTube also, but in the future, we are moving everything over to Discord. They're paying for a boost, so we are getting perfect videos there. It's zero delay, crystal clear picture, crystal clear sound, everything is amazing in Discord. So make sure you join my Discord, we are trading more there. Also, below the video, if you're into Forex robots, yes, I have an amazing Forex robot that is passing challenges for prop challenges, okay? So make sure you get that robot also. Yeah, that's enough for this Saturday. I hope you have an amazing weekend, and I see you all in Monday, because then we're going to trade live again. So with that, have an amazing day, and I see you.